exciting act ever to appear in Zippos circus. And for that particular reason, they do have to sign an indemnity because there is no insurance company in Great Britain that will cover them what they do. Very really to you. This is to certify that I take full responsibility for myself and for the members of the team of the risks involved during our motor bike act. It has to be signed by one of the team members. Ladies and gentlemen, Walter Ronaldo. Thank you. And all, ladies and gentlemen, Zippos Circus proudly presents from Brazil, Raise the Roof with enthusiasm for the sensational Lucius team. This is my inches.
Wouldn't it be me?
Ladies and gentlemen, power! Your applause, the rider number 3.
Oh my God.
You are an imposter. Ladies and gentlemen, if you'd like to stand up and show your appreciation at the end of the act, please feel free to do so. Your applause, rider number 3. Is rider number 3.